Nuclear power, well, you all have to now study this book produced by the National Academy of Sciences, New York Academy of Sciences, called Chernobyl, where they took 5,000 papers written in Russian, in peer group literature, epidemiologists, physicians and the like. Up to now, 25 years post-Chernobyl, 1 million people or more have died. 40% of Europe is radioactive. The food will remain radioactive for hundreds of years as isotopes bioconcentrate in the food chain for the rest of time. We can't taste, smell or see them. And the UN agencies are saying only 4,000 people died. The WHO has an alliance with the IAEA to say that they can't investigate any atomic accidents unless the International Atomic Energy Agency, which promotes nuclear power, allows the WHO to do that. So the WHO has never looked at Chernobyl. World Health Organization. I have never known such a cover-up in the history of medicine. This is worse than the Black Plague. It's worse than smallpox, because that only killed those people. But nuclear accidents never end. They mutate genes to cause deleterious mutations like cystic fibrosis, diabetes, and we all carry several hundred of those genes. I carry the gene I've just found out for hemochromatosis. My son has just been diagnosed at 48 with hemochromatosis. And I've been saying this for years, and I now know I carry that gene. And as we fill the environment up with radioactive elements that mutate genes in our eggs and sperm, so we will produce down the time track random, compulsory genetic engineering for the rest of time. Not just in humans, but animals and plants as well. And as radiation leaks from the nuclear power plants and the radioactive waste and Hanford, so the food will become contaminated, and you can imagine years hence the legacy we leave as babies are being born deformed with teratogenesis like they are in Basra and Fallujah, where they use DU weapons. Babies born with cyclops, phocomelia, anencephaly, so much so in Fallujah that the obstetricians have told the women to stop having babies because there's such a prevalence of grossly deformed babies. So extrapolate that in the future with radioactive waste dumps leaking all over the place, the food radioactive, breast milk radioactive, babies being born deformed and getting cancers at the age of 6 instead of 70.